there somewhere you can tell me? He walks on, doesn't look. He pretends he can hear her. Starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you. Need paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you. You need paradise. Think about it. She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying.